We respect your privacy. By clicking Accept All, you agree that our website can store cookies and disclose information in accordance with our cookie policy. Accept All. Accept required only. Manage preferences. Privacy policy. Skip to content. Call us on 0178 727 7277. Free UK delivery for orders above £60. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. Search our store. Search menu. Account. Zero basket. Search our store. Search door furniture. Door furniture. Doorknobs. Sliding and pocket door furniture. Black door handles. Door handles. Door hardware. Door pull handles. Exterior door furniture. Rim locks. Scrigno sliding doors. Cabinet furniture. Cabinet furniture. Cupboard knobs. Edge pull handles. Cupboard pull handles. Cabinet latches. Cup pulls. Wooden cabinet furniture. Window furniture. Window furniture. Black window furniture. Pewter window furniture. Sash window furniture. Armor coat window hardware. Brass window furniture. Hand forged. Hand forged. Hand forged Suffolk latches. Hand forged hinges. Hand forged latch sets. Hand forged door bolts. Hand forged pull handles. Hand forged hooks. Hand forged nails and studs. Hand forged latch accessories. Home hardware. Home hardware. Bathroom accessories. Spindles. Door plates. Hooks and brackets. Door stops. XL joinery doors. Product ranges. Product ranges. Bathroom accessories. Old English collection. Stainless steel range. To pay door handles. Stonebridge collection. Finesse pewter collection. Hand beaten collection. Wooden cabinet furniture. From the anvil. Lighting. Lighting. Wall lights. Switches and dimmers. Cluster pendants lights. Bulbs. Ceiling pendants lights. Sale. Search our store. Door furniture. Back. Door furniture. Doorknobs. Back. Doorknobs. Beehive doorknobs. Reeded doorknobs. Wooden doorknobs. Antique brass doorknobs. Aged brass doorknobs. Satin nickel doorknobs. Matte bronze doorknobs. Satin brass doorknobs. Chrome doorknobs. Polished brass doorknobs. Polished nickel doorknobs. Porcelain doorknobs. Black doorknobs. Cast iron doorknobs. Rim lock doorknobs. Finesse pewter doorknobs. Door handles. Back. Door handles. Door handles on rows. Door handles on back plate. Multipoint door handles. Exterior door handles. To pay door handles. Exterior door furniture. Back. Exterior door furniture. Brass front door furniture. Black front door furniture. Finesse pewter front door furniture. Center door knobs and pulls. Doorbells and knockers. Door security. Letter plates and tidies. Door numbers. Sliding and pocket door furniture. Door hardware. Back. Door hardware. Bathroom turn and releases. Door hinges. Door plates. Door pull handles. Escutcheons. Euro cylinder locks. Rim locks. Sash locks and tubular latches. Rim locks. Door pull handles. Hand forged. Back. Hand forged. Hand forged Suffolk latches. Hand forged hinges. Hand forged door bolts. Hand forged latch sets. Hand-forged cottage latches. Hand-forged pull handles. Hand-forged hooks. Hand-forged nails and studs. Hand-forged latch accessories. Window furniture. Back. Window furniture. Black window furniture. Pewter window furniture. Brass window furniture. Armor coat window hardware. Sash window furniture. Cabinet furniture. Back. Cabinet furniture. Cupboard knobs. Cupboard pull handles. Cup pulls. Edge pull handles. Cupboard latches. Wooden cabinet furniture. Home hardware. Back. Home hardware. Bathroom accessories. Door stops. Door plates. Hooks and brackets. Back. Hooks and brackets. Coat and robe hooks. Cabin hooks. Black shelf brackets. Cast iron shelf brackets. Handrail brackets. Spindles. XL joinery doors. Product ranges. Back. Product ranges. To pay door handles. Hand-beaten collection. Old English collection. Stonebridge collection. Wooden cabinet furniture. Bathroom accessories. From the anvil. Finesse pewter collection. Clearance. Lighting. Back. Lighting. Wall lights. Cluster pendants lights. Ceiling pendants lights. Bulbs. Switches and dimmers. Company info. Useful links. Contact us. Join us. Share. Join us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. Like us on Instagram. Pin us on Pinterest. Watch us on YouTube. Complete your project with these products will add to what's already in your order. Free delivery for orders over £60. Shopping basket. Shipping and taxes calculated at checkout. Discount codes can be applied at the checkout. Subtotal £0. Checkout securely. Continue shopping. Home. News. A brief history of the door handle. A brief history of the door handle. Blog templates. Header desktop history of door handle.png. mime_type equals image/png. media_type equals image. Alt equals the brief history of the door handle. ID equals 16570446639. Key equals 175452980/1657704466398/ blog templates header desktop history of door handle.png. Scope equals 175452980/2. Handle equals 1657704466398. src equals https://cdn.accentuate.io/175452980/1657704466398/ blog templates header desktop history of door handle.png. V equals 1670929508046. Original_src equals https:// original.accentuate.io/175452980/1657704466398/ blog templates header desktop history of door handle.png. V equals 1670929508046. Cloudinary_src equals https://cld.accentuate.io/175452980/1657704466398/ blog templates header desktop history of door handle.png. V equals 1670929508046 and options equals width equals 2200, height equals 1100. Aspect_ratio equals 2. Alt equals the brief history of the door handle. Blog templates, header mobile history of door handle.png, mime_type equals image/png, media_type equals image, alt equals the brief history of the door handle, ID equals 1657704477944, key equals 175452980/1657704477944 blog templates header mobile history of door handle.png, scope equals 175452980/2, handle equals 1657704477944, src equals https://cdn.accentuate.io/175452980/2/1657704477944/ blog templates header mobile history of door handle.png, v equals 1670929522938, original _src equals https:// original.accentuate.io/175452980/2/1657704477944/ blog templates header mobile history of door handle.png, v equals 1670929522938, cloudinary _src equals https://cld-accentuate.io/175452980/2/1657704477944/ blog templates header mobile history of door handle.png, v equals 1670929522938 and options equals, width equals 750, height equals 480, aspect _ratio equals 1.5625 alt equals a brief history of the door handle. Doors, not a rock band from the 1960s, but a way to create partitioned privacy, security, and protection from the elements. The humble door as we know it today goes back to the ancient Egyptians. The first types of doors were rudimentary screens. Fur and skins, tapestries, wooden planks and stone blocks, these needed to be physically moved out of the way. But as civilizations grew and engineering projects were embraced, door handles became an inevitable invention. Ancient and medieval doors. Ancient Egyptian period, from approximate 3000 BC, has art depicting doors made out of slabs of wood and cloth hangings. We can also thank the ancient Egyptians for the invention of the door lock, the basic pin tumbler lock still in use today, which they made entirely out of wood. King Solomon, 970 to 931 BC, had temple doors made from olive wood. Greek and Roman civilizations, uncovered by archaeologists, used door hinges very similar to those used today. There are Roman door hinges made from bronze in the British Museum. Middle Ages, 500–1500 AD, saw people generally living in one big room with little need for internal doors. But for safety from raiding soldiers, households secured themselves and their belongings by barring the external doorway with heavy beams of oak. During the day, doors were left open to allow for ventilation for fires and cooking. Locks were not in general use during this period due to expense. From the late 1500s, royals and wealthy gentry built palaces and homes with individual rooms. Doors for privacy were made from woven tapestries initially, and then wooden doors came into general use, hung from basic hand-forged strap hinges. Prior to the invention of mortise locks, bolts were used and these were fixed into stonework. The poor still used textile hangings and rudimentary wooden partitions, but as the centuries progressed, and with improvements in the mass production of items, the less affluent were able to afford a range of door furniture, including metalwork door latches. The modern era, from the Industrial Revolution onwards, saw the rise of mass manufacturing and consumerism. As handle and knob prices came down, more people could afford to update their homes. It was during this period of history when handles and door knobs became an essential practical feature. What did people use before door handles? Before door knobs and handles were invented, people used a bolt or a lock to keep a door shut. Only the wealthy could afford a lock and key. Most people used a latch string, which involved making a small hole in a door and threading a leather thong or string through, which was then looped around a wooden bar. First locking door knob. The first patent for a door knob and internal door latching mechanism was given in 1878 to an African-American inventor called Osborne Dorsey. In Britain, Locksmiths Robert Barron, Joseph Brahma, and Jeremiah Chubb were also involved in designs for the modern lever tumbler locks. Chubb's lock was patented in 1818. Door furniture as decoration. With the Industrial Revolution and the availability of different materials, doorknob and door handle styles evolved from functional to decorative. The range of different designs expanded in line with interior design trends and incorporated movements such as Art Deco, minimalist, as well as a revival of older period styles including Tudor and Georgian. Vintage inspiration for your doors. Here at Suffolk Latch Company, we have a wide range of Victorian door handles and locks that are perfect for giving vintage style to your home. Choose from door knobs and door handles in authentic period designs. Door knobs. The beehive door knobs design is originally from the Georgian era. Beehive door knobs were used widely in Georgian and Victorian homes. These wooden knobs and antique brass knobs are perfect for period properties, and they also work well in modern homes wanting to inject some vintage detail. Door handles. Lever handles came into popular use during the 1900s, but there are many examples of door handle designs before this period, and some can be found as early as the Tudor period. Although door knobs were the most popular choice for Georgian and Victorian homes, lever handles are a good option if you have young or elderly family members. Lever handles are also the best choice for exterior doors, as they offer an integrated lock profile to complement fitting with a 5-lever or a Euro profile cylinder lock. Choose handles in black and pewter to replicate vintage door handle designs. In case you missed it. Door knobs vs door handles, how to choose. Fitting new door end handles to old latches. Door bolt guide, how to choose the right bolt for your door. Comments. Leave a comment. Name. Email. Message. Please note, comments must be approved before they are published. Post comment. 8 comments. GCO on October 5, 2023. I had no idea the door handle had such a rich history. The Suffolk Latch Company's article provides a fascinating glimpse into the evolution of this everyday essential. It's amazing how a simple device has evolved over centuries. Catherine on October 31, 2022. I have 2 door pulls hand-stitched by my grandmother circa 1910. One's is approximate 2.5 feet and the other is 4 foot. I cannot find any other online hand-stitched, all are metal. Can you be of any help of where to find others? Thanks you much. Well Hardware on April 4, 2022. This is great info to know. I really like to be active, thanks for sharing. Suffolk Latch Company on September 27, 2021. Hi Eric, we aren't sure when waist-high door knobs were standardized specifically, however most door furniture trends that we are familiar with today were popularized during the Georgian/Victorian eras. Hope that helps. Eric on September 27, 2021. When did waist-height door knobs get standardized? 1. 2. Next. Shop the article. Straight lever handles pewter. £24. Please choose. Monkey tail lever handles black. £17. Please choose. Cottage lever handles pewter. £24. Please choose. Colonial reeded round rose door handles. £74. Please choose. Delta square rose door handles. £72. Please choose. Beehive door knobs solid brass. £41. Please choose. Similar articles. Spotlight on, new door handles on rose. Our latest collection of designer door handles and hardware accessories. Read article. Door knobs vs door handles, how to choose. Can't decide between a door knob and door handle? Read the pros and cons here. Read article. News. More articles. Ironmongery maintenance guide. Information. A complete guide on understanding your hardware. Read article. Read article. Why door hinges squeak. Information. A common problem for homeowners, squeaky door hinges have a simple fix. Learn why. Read article. Measuring window stays. Information. Learn how to measure window stays and window furniture for a perfect fit. Read article. More articles. Secure online payments. Free shipping on UK £60 plus orders. Authentic ironmongery. 1,000s of happy customers. Join our mailing list. Don't miss out. Be the first to see new products, read our latest blogs, and more. Your email address. Over 1,500 reviews. Useful links. Contact us. Delivery and returns. Terms and conditions. Privacy policy. Suffolk Pocket Doors. Sitemap. Company info. Contact. Blog. Gallery. Videos. Contact us. Unit B. Bridewell Works. Clare. CO108QD. 0178-727-7277. info@suffolklatchcompany.co.uk. Join us. Join us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. Like us on Instagram. Pin us on Pinterest. Watch us on YouTube. Copyright 2024 Suffolk Latch Company. All rights reserved. Site by Bayo. Country/region Albania, All, Algeria, DZD, Andorra, Euro, Angola, AOAKZ, Anguilla, XCD $, Antigua and Barbuda, XCD $, Argentina, Ars $, Armenia, AMD, Aruba, AWG, Australia, AUD $, Austria, Euro, Azerbaijan, AZN, Bahamas, BSD $, Bahrain, USD $, Bangladesh, BDT, Barbados, BBD $, Belgium, Euro, Belize, BZD $, Benin, XOFFCFA, Bermuda, USD $, Bolivia, Bob BS, Bosnia and Herzegovina, BAMKM, Botswana, BWPP, Brazil, BRLR $, British Virgin Islands, USD $, Brunei, BND $, Bulgaria, BGN, Burkina Faso, XOFFCFA, Burundi, BIF. Cambodia, KHR, Cameroon, XAFFCFA, Canada, CAD $, Cape Verde, Kvet, Cayman Islands, KID $, Chad, XAFFCFA, Chile, CLP $, China, CNY Yen, Colombia, COP $, Comoros, KMFCF, Congo, Brazzaville, XAFFCFA, Cook Islands, NZD $, Costa Rica, CRC, Côte d'Ivoire, XOFFCFA, Croatia, Euro, Curaçao, Ang, Cyprus, Euro, Czechia, CZKK, Denmark, DKKKR, Djibouti, DJF, Dominica, XCD $, Dominican Republic, DOP $, Ecuador, USD $, Egypt, EGPE pound, El Salvador, USD $, Equatorial Guinea, XAFFCFA, Estonia, Euro, Eswatini, SZL, Ethiopia. ETB, Falkland Islands. FKP pound, Faroe Islands, DKKKR, Fiji, FJD $, Finland, Euro, France, Euro, French Guiana, Euro, French Polynesia, XPFCFPF, Gabon, USD $, Gambia, GMD, Georgia, GEL, Germany, Euro, Ghana, USD $, Gibraltar, GBP pound, Greece, Euro, Greenland, DKKKR, Grenada, XCD $, Guadeloupe, Euro, Guatemala, GTQQ, Guernsey, GBP pound, Guinea, GNFFG, Guinea-Bissau, XOFFCFA, Guyana, GYD $, Haiti, HTG, Honduras, HNLL, Hong Kong SAR, HKD HK dollar, Hungary, HUF FT, Iceland, ISKKR, India, INR, Indonesia, IDRRP, Ireland, Euro, Isle of Man, GBP. Pound, Israel, ILS, Italy, Euro, Jamaica, JMD dollar, Japan, JPY yen, Jersey, GBP pound, Jordan, USD dollar, Kazakhstan, KZT, Kenya, KES, Kiribati, USD dollar, Kuwait, USD dollar, Kyrgyzstan, KGS, Laos, LAC, Latvia, Euro, Lebanon, LBPL pound, Lesotho, LSL, Liberia, LRD dollar, Liechtenstein, CHF, Lithuania, Euro, Luxembourg, Euro, Macau SAR, MOP, Madagascar, USD dollar, Malawi, MWK, Malaysia, Mir RM, Maldives, MVR, Malta, Euro, Martinique, Euro, Mauritania, USD dollar, Mauritius, Murars, Mayotte, Euro, Mexico, MXN dollar, Moldova, MDL, Monaco, Euro, Mongolia, MNT, Montenegro, Euro, Montserrat, XCD dollar, Morocco, MAD, Mozambique, MZN, Namibia, NAD dollar, Nauru, AUD dollar, Nepal, NPRRs, Netherlands, Euro, New Caledonia, XPF CFPF, New Zealand, NZD dollar, Nicaragua, NIOC dollar, Nigeria, NGN, NEU, NZD dollar, North Macedonia, MKD, Norway, NOK KR, Oman, USD dollar, Pakistan, PKRRs, Panama, USD dollar, Papua New Guinea, PGK, Paraguay, PYG, Peru, PEN, Philippines, PHP, Poland, PLNZL, Portugal, Euro, Qatar, QAR, Reunion, Euro, Romania, Ronlay, Rwanda, RWFRF, Samoa, WST, San Marino, Euro, Sao Tome and Principe, STD, Saudi Arabia. SAR, Senegal, XOFFCFA, Serbia, RSD, Seychelles, SCR, Sierra Leone, SLL, Singapore, SGD dollar, Sint Maarten, Ang, Slovakia, Euro, Slovenia, Euro, Solomon Islands, SBD dollar, South Africa, ZAR, South Korea, KRW, Spain, Euro, Sri Lanka, LKRRs, Saint Barthélemy, Euro, Saint Helena, Shop Pound, Saint Kitts and Nevis, XCD dollar, Saint Lucia, XCD dollar, Saint Martin, Euro, St. Vincent and Grenadines, XCD dollar, Suriname, SRD dollar, Sweden, SEKKR, Switzerland, CHF, Taiwan, TWD dollar, Tanzania, TZS, Thailand, THB, Timor-Leste, USD dollar, Togo, XOFFCFA, Tonga, Top T dollar, Trinidad and Tobago, TTD dollar, Tunisia, USD dollar, Turkmenistan, USD dollar, Turks and Caicos Islands, USD dollar, Tuvalu, AUD dollar, Uganda, UGX, United Arab Emirates, AED, United Kingdom, GBP pound, United States, USD dollar, Uruguay, UYU dollar, Uzbekistan, UZS, Vanuatu, VUV, Vatican City, Euro, Venezuela, USD dollar, Vietnam, VND, Wallis and Futuna, XPF CFPF, Zambia, ZMWZK, Zimbabwe. USD dollar. Pages. Popular searches. Suffolk Latch Beehive Hinges Rim Lock Lock.